The day we've all been waiting for has arrived. It's harvesting day.
Harvesting day. Okay. Hey, buddy. Sorry. You gotta move.
Notice how the stem is all
This one.
brown. We're cutting it as far away from the stem as possible. Ooh, big!
Definitely gonna have to wash them. Little spider, excuse me, sir. Please don't bite my finger.
Hey, look at that.
I don't even think that's the biggest one. Spiders are everywhere.
Okay.
This is one plant.
One plant. Oh my goodness.
You already gave one to my mom from over here.
The baby one.
No, she didn't get the baby one. We ate the baby one.
Oh, we did. We did eat the baby one.
Get the big 'em.
Oh, grande. Man, it's huge. Bubba squash.
Oh, this
Ooh.
one was popped. It was ready.
He came
I'm
off.
glad we came out. He's ready. He's like, okay, I'm sick of this.
Sick of waiting. And here goes our last one.
Oh, we still got two more.
Oh, we do?
There's another one right under you.
I thought this one you're cutting was the last one. You're right, there's a hidden one.
Sorry, buddy. Excuse me, peeps. Gonna reach my hand down in there.
Wow. In our little watermelon. Can you get a view of it? Not that bad, I can't see it. Oh, here we go. There it goes.
Alright. This is what we got. This is the harvest.
Hey, 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 hey.
That's it.
Let me get a good view of this. Show the people what they want to see. Oh, yeah. Look at how big they are.
Now it's time for curing and storing.